Hey guys, how you doing? Just thought I'd check in. You know what it's like when you haven't put anything on for a couple of days. You feel like I need to check in. Anyway, it's a rainy old day today, and I've got a couple of days off, so I'm just doing a few little chores around the house and a few other bits and bobs. But as you can see, the lawn's not looking too bad. Now I'm purposefully not watering it, although today really doesn't make no difference. What I'm trying to do is just stress it out a bit, and then I'm going to pop some emerald green on one half, and then 2 weeks later show you the progress of it. It's basically just capturing footage for the emerald green that's going to be launched soon. So that's where I am with that. But other than that, I wanted to tell you about what's happening with all the products that I bought off Amazon. So I bought all the products: the fertilizer, weed killer, seaweed, and the sprayer. Now I've recorded footage of using all of these and assembling, and I've got one video up. I am waiting to hear back from Camtasia support in regards to a file that sort of crashed and went a bit funny when my laptop ran out of memory, and I wasn't able to upload it. So I'm waiting to hear back what happens with regards to that. It's been nearly a week now, but they've been keeping me informed that they've had to upload it because it was like 20-30 gigs. So it took a bit of moving around, but anyway, they're on the ball with it, and hopefully they'll come back to me in the next couple of days, and then hopefully I can get that video ready and popped out to you guys. So I haven't forgot about doing that, but I can't do any more on that or on that series until I get this video back. And if it doesn't work and they can't fix it, then I will need to remake the video, which is going to take me a few days. So I'm hoping that they can get it sorted. In regards to other content, there was a property that we did a renovation on in a shaded area, and I actually went back there yesterday, but I didn't capture any footage. And the reason I didn't capture any footage is they've had some problems. So the guy is a really epic lawn lover. He loves his lawns completely. When I got there, I was totally expecting a thick lush green carpet, but it wasn't the case. It was very thin and very patchy. So we spent about 10 minutes toing and froing and trying to figure out what the cause was. And I said, look, if it's my fault, if it's something I've done, I'll gladly fix it and put it right. So we did a bit of investigation. I started by asking if people had been going on the lawn, and if the lawn had been watered. Tick, tick, tick. Yes, they had. It'd been watered and people had kept off. So then I asked if there was any heavy rain. And he said actually 1 or 2 days after it was done, there was a really bad heavy hailstorm session. So I suspect that has caused some of the thinning and patchiness. And it's also in very bad shade. The other thing which could have affected it, I started digging some holes in various parts of the lawn, only to be found that my spade was hitting something hard around 1 inch down, and that was across the whole lawn. So upon inspection, we found that there was lots and lots of pebbles under the lawn, so this isn't going to help. So unfortunately, it wasn't a good turnout for that particular lawn. But it's not anything that I've done. It's either the weather or the pebbles underneath. So what we've agreed to do is the customer's going to pay for the materials, and I'm going to go back and reseed it free of charge. That's how I work, that's how I operate. I'd rather keep customers happy. And he said to me that if it doesn't work this time, he's probably just going to go with AstroTurf. Because of the tight access, he'll be struggling to get a mini digger in to sort of dig all the pebbles out and then get a load of fresh new soil in. So that's where we are with that. I also have about 5 more renovation videos sat waiting on my hard drive to get done. And I'm waiting to go back to those properties for follow-ups. So I can't get those out either. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be working on some more footage over the next few days. You should see another video out in a week, possibly a week and a half, something like that. But I just wanted to check in with you all, just to make sure you're all happy and enjoying this blooming weather. It's probably really nice where you are, but here it's rubbish. It's rubbish, and it's always the case when you have a few days off work, isn't it? So, yeah, anything else to report? I can't think. I cannot think. You want to see my ugly mug? What else? Nothing else to say really, apart from thank you so much for hanging around. Thank you for subscribing. A year ago, we had 98 subscribers, and I'm bowled over really by the support that you guys have given me in all the comments that you give me. It actually genuinely means a lot. And you get days when you don't really feel like doing it. But then when you get the comments, it means the world. And it really does bring you back straight away to carry on. So it's just life gets in the way and you're always busy. We've just got through all the renovation season. We've still got one or two small ones to do and a bit of scarifying. But in general, we've finished all the main renovations now. So we're going to start concentrating on the next sort of few months, which is obviously things like regular mowing, fertilising, seaweed applications, just the basics of looking after your lawn through those seasons. I'm sure we'll have some issues with disease and grubs and ants and things like that. So there'll be more content to come along those lines. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I'd appreciate if you give us a thumbs up, smash the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.